going to show you about our 85 to 92 Camaro LED Diode Dynamics Elite fog light. Come take a ride with us. Here we are cruising with the headlights and fog lights on. And this is just with the fog lights on. You can see how they still really light up the road. They're really helpful on these country back roads. These Camaro fog lights replace the housing and bulb on your factory setup. They are a huge improvement in nighttime visibility with a greater light output with no glare to oncoming traffic. Check it out. Here is what they look like with the headlights and fog lights on. This optic was carefully designed by Diode Dynamics using advanced optical simulation software to produce a light pattern that is wider than any other aftermarket fog lamp on the market, with an 80-degree spread of highly intense light. These complete fog light housings will swap directly in place of the original halogen units that they are designed to replace. After being assembled by Diode Dynamics in St. Louis, Missouri, they are robotically sealed with a urethane epoxy for long-lasting protection against moisture and packaged in a form-fit foam for safe transportation. For installation, it works best to access the fog lights from the bottom of the car. There is a curved plastic part that connects to the front bumper on the front and on the bumper bar at the rear of the panel. Now you will be able to remove the 2 bolts per side that secure the fog light. Install the new fog lights the same way. The lights are set before we ship them, but if you would like to adjust them, the adjustment screw is on the bottom of the bracket. The price includes Screamin' Chicken designed powder-coated brackets for an easy install. Alright y'all, that is it for today. If any of this did not make sense, they do come with detailed instructions, or feel free to reach out to us with any questions you might have. Thanks, have a great day.